right, so welcome again, people, to MG Sports TV. Happy to have you guys back with us. Definitely, it is Tuesday. February is closing in. Can you imagine February just started and actually entering into the midsection? But certainly, I hope you guys are doing good and everything is totally fine. So what we're gonna do today, we're gonna have a look at the Reggae Boyz new kit. So the new kits are out. The new kits, the Adidas new kits are out. As you guys know, that I think every year it's gonna be a new launch. And the first one, well, we saw the first one. For me, initially, I didn't really like the first one initially. Just initially, people, I didn't really like it. And apparently, I grew into it, and I start generally start come around and say, no, it's kind of nice. It's kind of nice, and till I started to liking it. But this one, for me, maybe I'm not a kid person. Maybe I'm not a kid person, but I think I kind of like this one from the get go. I kind of like this one from the get go. So we're gonna have a look at it and see what you guys think. So as I said, people, please do hit the like button. Hit the like button, people. If you're here for the first time, also hit the subscribe button, and let's have a look at it. And maybe through talking through it, maybe I might generalize and technically probably get with us like it a little bit more just by speaking about it. All right, so as you can see, this is the kit. This is the one, the long sleeve one. This is not bad actually. This is kind of looking good. I like the look of this one with the collar, the black collar, and the black what do you call it, sleeve thing, and then now down at the lower portion at the edge here you have the black as well. I kind of like that. Kind of like that look there. You know, for certain weather conditions. So that's not bad. I like that look. You know, the Reggae Boyz, the JFF logos here, the Adidas logos here, then the street strap running down along. So I think this look nice. This actually can wear go out. I think this can wear go out. I like that. It's just unfortunate so I'm not get to see nobody else standing in their jersey. So I like that. Alright, so let me see. Let's move from here first. Let me see if we can see next one up. See there, the big Jamaica at the back. Now maybe, just maybe, if you can probably do a little bit of altering and probably put your name at the back and maybe a number. Just maybe, if them allow those type of alterations. Just if. But I think that would actually be really, really nice. That's really nice. And it's cool. I think this one is really, really cool. And let me look back on something again. Oh, so it actually can be a turtleneck. People can be, that's sick. That's it. Me like this. So it can be a turtleneck. Look at the zipper go right up to the neck part. So when you can break the collar, you can pull out the collar, and the zipper go right up to the neck, so you can get a turtleneck. Hey, that bad. Like this. This look like something. So even if I turn it to the back, I wouldn't even realize. So it's actually a turtleneck. So this is actually really, really cool. Me like this. So big up on yourself on this one, Adidas. So let's have a look at the others. So this is the jersey. As you can see, the color, the way the stripes, the stripes go down. How to feel about that one? I don't know. I think maybe if me see it past somebody, I don't know why they never put it. Probably this is just a launch. I'm gonna show it out and make people see it. Maybe the video has been done. So maybe what we're gonna do an updated video when it's officially out. But from what I'm seeing here with the stripes, I think I'm kind of liking it. So far. It's quite similar to the Arsenal jersey. Just that the Arsenal one was, I think it was cross. This is just like one line of stripes, black, green, and gold, which is kind of nice. Then when you look at the 3-star up at the top, when you look at the stripes on the sleeve, you realize that stripe is a darker green with black lines, with 2 black lines, a darker green with 2 black lines. Not bad at all. Then now to the right of that, you can see the next jersey color. The next I think that's in the fit, like the train that they walk out where walk around in. This not look bad at all. This normally look relatively alright. I think this normally look relatively alright. Let me see if they have no nice. See me can see nice sweatpants them. Sweatpants, alright. Yellow and black stripes going down, not bad. Full green, not bad at all. Oh, you can see the jersey a bit better here. I think me like look at the jersey. And as you can see, look how you see the black is heavily tinted up here. Black and green is heavily tinted until you realize that take your time and fade with. going down to the lower portion of the jersey. So it's more a black, a more yellow getting brighter and brighter. Look at it. You can just see run it down. Like up here, up at this top, you see the black and the green is a bit higher in density. And then I'll probably say thicker. Then as it goes down, the yellow becomes a bit heavier. So that's actually a cool concept. That's a really, really cool concept. Like the concept there. The black top now, as I said, it's the regular top we wear with the yellow striping and black striping. I think that's gonna look good. I think that's gonna look, because it's black and then the yellow up here. I think that's gonna look good. What I do know is that these type of jerseys, they tend to stand out. They tend to stand out a lot. So this is my initial look at the jersey, and from what I'm seeing, I think I'm liking it. I think I'm liking it. Definitely think I'm liking it. Hopefully you guys are like it too. Definitely we'll get the new jersey the other day and we perform well and so far Adidas has been treating us well where results are concerned, even though Adidas doesn't have nothing to do with the results, but because of the jersey, I think the jersey, look, I would call it now a superstition. So when you have a good jersey, you perform well in a good jersey. So far, we have been treated well with the jersey is concerned. As I said initially, the first launch, initially I never liked it until I grew into it. No, from the get-go, I kind of like this one. No, the funny thing about it is, when it comes on to jersey, not everyone will see eye to eye with jersey, because some persons like this, some persons like that. So not because I like it means that someone is going to like it. That's just how it is. Initially, when the first one came out, I never like it initially. Other persons do. Then me grow into it and they end up like it. Now, this is out. Me like it from the get-go. Don't necessarily mean that everyone will like it from the get-go. So that I think that's just a balance or understanding is concerned. But it looked good to me. When am I going to be in stores? I don't know. I really don't know. Sometimes these things take a lot. Normally, you see jersey launch in January. August, even some of the August, some of the games are come up. So we have games this month, and probably that's one of the reasons why them launches so fast, because in next 2 weeks' time, the U20 boys will be playing. So maybe that's the thing. But when they get their jersey, it don't mean that the fans will get theirs. Well, let's see how that one panned out. Let's see if Adidas, normally Jamaica probably the last place. You can imagine, we're Jamaica probably the last place to get jersey. So if you're in America or you're in whatever you are overseas, like England or these places, I think you're kind of tentatively have a stronger chance of getting your hands on a jersey before us in Jamaica, because we'd have to wait on shipments and all these type of things. And then you got Western Sports are going to tell us next 3-4 weeks, 4 weeks time, the next 3-4 weeks again, go by JFF. JFF said the shipment is out on the sea, big container out on the sea, and just can't reach. Yeah, that's the situation. That is technically the situation. But so far, like what I see, tell us what you think in the comment section. Big up on yourself. Smash the like button. Hit the subscribe button if you're here for the first time. And I'll see you guys again. MG Sports TV. God bless. We're out. Boom. Bam, bam, bam.